This is how to factory reset or hard reset. This is the Lush Mint. This is the LM5514G. It looks like this. Has the 4 dots on the back panel. It says Lush Mint with the L logo on the back. And this is how we do it. We're going to hold volume down and power. Hold volume down just a split second before, and then hold power. And we're going to hold them at the same time. On this phone, on this Lush Mint, it takes 20 seconds. So we got to get comfortable. We got to keep holding, and it's going to be just a little bit. I mean, some phones, it pops right up. On this one, it's going to take a little bit more. And then as soon as we see Lush Mint, we're going to let go with both. Okay, now it's going to bring up the fallen Android no command. And now let's hold power, and then we're going to quick touch volume up. Hold power, quick touch volume up. And it brings up the Android recovery menu for the Lush Mint LM5514G with volume keys. Scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press OK with the power button. One more time, they want us to confirm factory data reset. It's going to wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. We're going to press OK, power. Now at the bottom of the screen, it will tell us when it's done. Data wipe is complete. And now it is safe to reboot the system. Keep in mind, if you have set up your Lush Mint with your Google or Gmail account, you will 100% need your Google or Gmail account to log back into your phone, especially if you've turned on the Find My Device or Locate My Phone security. So the factory reset erases everything on the phone except for the security. All right, if this has helped you factory reset your Lush Mint device, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.